All right guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Max with Wacky Engineering, and we're gonna do a quick review over this Flame King flamethrower. Let's check it out. So as you can see, here's the flamethrower. It hooks to a standard 20-pound grill bottle, and it has its own igniter built in. One of the features I like the most about this is that it has a built-in igniter. That way you don't have to have a separate like lighter or sparker or whatever. Okay, so this does hook up to a standard 20-pound bottle, and it is reverse thread on the inside. So these threads are normal, but on the inside ones, it's going to be left-hand turn. Okay, and then we just open the valve. Then we have an adjustment knob here, and you can already hear it kind of coming on. Pretty sweet. So sometimes it'll go out and you just kick it back on. There's something else to consider with this, some safety. We have a hose strung out here ready just in case anything decides to catch on fire. And you know, just practice fire safety with this because it is very dangerous if you don't know what you're doing. And that's full bore right there. All right, well, it worked pretty well. Kind of got most of the weeds burned. We did wet down the fence to keep it from going up in flames. There'll be links in the description if you want to see these. We got this on Amazon, so check it out. Thanks for watching.